So what's going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. Forgot to do an introduction this morning. Just got right on the water and started seeing fish busting all around the place, so I had to start casting. But I had one good chase, another good hit on top water, but that's about it. Now we're going to be working this mangrove shoreline here. We're in some saltwater canal systems, trying to target snook, tarpon, big jacks, anything that bites pretty much. But those are the three main species in here that I always catch. So let's get to it. Throwing an assortment of baits. I'm throwing a top water, some swim baits, some jerk baits, just trying to see what bites here. But stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Fish on. Got stuck on a branch, and then right after the branch, this little snook came out and freaking nailed it. Felt bad for it. I was pulling it. Look at him back there. Sweet little guy. Nice little first fish right there. Thank you for playing, buddy. Swim fast. Alright, we broke the ice. I think there's more back there too. That was kind of weird though. Little snook just took off with it right after it popped off of the branch. Come work this shoreline here. Let's see one more time. See, we got a cool. Woohoo! That was a pretty good fish right there. Ah! That was a good one. There we go. Decent fish. There we go. Oh yeah, decent fish right there. Ooh. That was a better one. Okay. There we go. A little better fish. Sweet. Go ahead and retie real quick. It's super important to retie, especially when you're snook fishing, any type of fishing. If you take a look here, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but look at that leader. It is completely frayed. If I catch another fish, no matter the size, and it takes me right into the trees, that's it, I'm done. 40-pound test leader is done. That's why when I'm tying a leader, I always like to give it a couple extra inches, so I could always, retie. You always want to go ahead and retie. Make sure you got a nice, fresh, clean piece of leader right in the front and the tip of the bait, because you never know when you could get that big bite, and then you don't want to be losing it just because you didn't tie. Alright, we are tied up. Let's go ahead and get back out there. tiny one. The other one was a pretty bigger one. This guy's tiny. All right, let's see. Nice little tiny snook here. Oh, I like to lay these guys right on the side here. Kind of calms them down. Pops the hook right off. Right there. All right. Just to kind of go over the tackle I'm using here, I got 2500 size reel with 10-pound test braid, and I'm going heavy with the leader since I'm fishing all these canals. They have a lot of oysters, a lot of mangroves, and there's some big fish in here, so I'm going 40-pound test leader, 4/0 wide gap worm hook with a simple fluke. And I'm just working it on the surface, working on the bottom. The fish seem to be liking that fast action, so I'm kind of working it a little fast, and it seems to be working. Early in the morning I got a couple hits on top water, but that bite died really quick. So I'm hooked up here. This is a big jack. Over there. Woo. Dog in the boat. Look at this, it's just turning the boat. All right, haven't seen it yet. I think it's massive. It's not that big, it just pulls very hard. It's not that big, but it's a pretty good sized jack. This guy out. Look at him. Sweet. Ah, nice. What's going on, guys? Just got out of the water here. Overall, it was a great morning out on the water. Spent about like 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours, kayak fishing in those saltwater canals. Ended up catching about 7 or 8 snooks, one nice little decent jack. I did see some huge explosions. Some big fish were definitely feeding, but they weren't hitting my baits. Top bait I used today was a just regular Zoom Super Fluke, tied weedless. And in the morning I was throwing the top water bait. I also was throwing a swim bait around. I got one hit on the top water, one hit on the swim bait, but nothing else throughout the day. Yeah, so the ticket bait was definitely the fluke. Ended up catching a couple nice snooks, so I'm happy. No matter the size, they're always a blast to catch. And overall, I would say we had a great morning out there. I was anticipating seeing some tarpons. Didn't see any tarpons in there yet. Hopefully here within the next couple of weeks, once the rain starts coming in or something like that, they like to get back in those canals, and that's when I like to go out there and target them. So hopefully we'll be out there again pretty soon, targeting those tarpons and getting something on video here for you guys. It'll be pretty cool. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. make sure you hit that like button. Leave any comments in the comment section below. And as always, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next one.